Yes! You were right, Wayu. Just throwing in whatever is fun.
Aha!
And you know what would make this lunch even more fun? Let's make it a volcano lunch.
Oh, Buddha, you are a genius! Ooh, wow!
Pass me the wrap. Spoon.
Spoon.
The flat thing with a handle.
The flat thing with a handle.
Glass of lemonade.
Glass of lemon? What for?
I'm thirsty.
Ruda, is lunch ready?
Just one more minute, Mama. Quick, Wayu. Back to work. And just a little more of Mama's favorite. Ta-da! Finished! So, this is what I started trying to make. And this is what we ended up making.
Oh, Buddha, look what we made. This is so much better.
Lunch is ready, Mama.
Oh, lovely. I'm so hungry. Oh, hello, Wayu. Oh my! What a wonderful surprise! The very first meal that my big little boy made on his own, with help from his friend. Thank you both so much.
Try it, Mama, try it. I put in lots and lots of your favorite sauce.
Wow! You look like a volcano.
Oh, it's the nicest meal I've ever had. Oh, because you made it.
Hooray! Thanks for your help, Wayu. And now we know how to do it. We can make it every day, Mama.